Hi, and welcome to this short tutorial video about how to manage access rights in Questback Essentials. In the tutorial about how to manage users, we have learned that accounts in Questback Essentials are typically set up as multi-user accounts, and that super users in an account can do all the user handling themselves. In this tutorial, we learn how one can organize access rights in an account and how one can define which users has access to which quests and folders. Access rights in Questback Essentials follow three basic principles. Number 1. Access rights are always defined per folder. Number 2. Access rights to a folder includes access to all quests in that folder. And number 3. Access rights to a folder are always granted by the user that owns the folder. Let's take a closer look at this. Under quests, you'll see all the folders that are available to you as a user. The grid shows the status of all available folders, the name of the folder, plus the folder owner. Folders are by default set to the status private, which means that the folder and its content is only visible to the user that owns the folder. Folder owners can decide for each folder they own whether they would like to share it with other users or not. To do so, they simply need to access the folder settings by clicking on the icon with the gear wheel under Shortcuts. There, they can decide whether they would like to share the folder with all other users in the account or just with selected ones. In addition, you can also decide whether sharing settings should apply to subfolders or not. Please note the public folder, Questback Templates. This folder contains all templates provided by Questback and is by default visible and accessible to all users in Questback Essentials. When it comes to the content of folders, all users have access to a folder, also has access to a quest in that folder. The access rights to a quest include full view of edit rights with the following exceptions. Quests can only be deleted by user that owns the quest. Ownership of a quest can only be changed by the user that owns the quest or a user with the status super user. Users with the status reporter can only access the functions filters, reports, and follow-up of a quest. This concludes this short tutorial about how to manage access rights in Questback Essentials.